Hey there, I'd like to share my review on this dog raft, which will help your dog be able to get into a paddle boat, on a paddle board, even into a boat if you're playing out on the water. So behind me, we're down here at our swimming area where we have a lot of inflatables. And even though I don't want the dogs on the big things, it is nice when they can get on some of those other things. So I'm 5'4", and so you can kind of see how tall this ramp is. This also came with a foot air pump. This was awesome. I had the dog float filled up within just a few minutes. Pushing air in and taking out, you just have to switch it. Already has the end on it as well, and I'll show you some of the other things that come with it. And then I'll show you our dog actually using the ramp. The other things that come with this are you've got 2 bundles of rope to help you with tying it down. In this orange case, you have glue, you have 2 patches, and this also helps you tighten your air valve. And these patches work really nice, and so does the glue. I've used them on a lot of my inflatables. In fact, I've ordered extra right from the company. And then you also have the carrying bag, so when you deflate it, you can actually roll all of this up and stick it in the bag and take it with you if you're someone who travels with your pets and to play on the water. So here's our 1-year-old pup Maggie, and she is going to try to approach it from the side instead of listening, and it didn't work. Our 12-year-old elder dog absolutely loves these. She can get on the paddle boat and things so much easier. Maggie's going to give it a second go, and she just decides to launch on it, so it works.